very sad. Why? You don't seem to be happy?
No, we are not happy.
What? Not happy? How can you say like this? You are all studying in a wonderful organization. TMC Kedriya Vidyalaya Minambakkam, excellent principal sir and HM madam, dedicated teachers, PT sir, computer sir, art ma'am, yoga sir, much more to learn and it's real fun. Okay, now tell me what's your problem?
I am very sad because I am late to school. Each on time. Sir asked me to stand near the school gate till assembly program ends. Daily I am missing assembly program.
Oh, this is your mistake only. You should wake up early in the morning, complete all your routine work, get ready quickly and come to school early and enjoy the assembly. Now, you tell me, why are you sad?
I am sad because my teachers and my parents are scolding me. My notebook is not neat and my handwriting is very bad.
Just tell me, did you practice handwriting work daily? Did you listen to teachers' instructions?
No.
That's why they are scolding you. You should practice daily. Practice makes a man perfect. So you should practice well and you can certainly write neatly. What is your problem?
I am very sad because my parents are not allowing me to watch mobile. I will enjoy watching mobile, YouTube, shorts, TikTok and games.
Oh, this is very bad. Can I ask one question? Do you think your parents and your grandparents use mobile to gain knowledge? No. You should read from books and storybooks. You can gain so much of knowledge from reading books. There are lots and lots of books to gain knowledge. So stop using mobile and develop reading skill. What is your problem? Why are you looking very sad?
I am very sad because I want to run and play in that big school ground, but teachers are teaching that period also.
Oh, I don't know how I can give a solution to this problem. This is a problem faced by many primary children. We'll think over a solution for this.
Thank you. Dreams is not become reality without discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Success starts with self